Earlier this year, I almost made a very expensive mistake. Not because I was stupid, not because I was not paying attention, but because I was paying too much attention to the wrong thing, right? Everyone around me was moving fast, buying tools, launching agents, posting screenshots, and I was sitting there thinking, I need to keep up. And that thought almost cost me everything. So here is what was happening. Every single day, my feed was full of it. Claude Code, Claude Covert, OpenAI Codex, Gemini, AI agents, AI workflows, AI teams, right? Every founder I followed had something open on their tab, on their screen. Every video was about the next tool, the next model, the next thing you needed to buy or get left behind, right? And I felt it every single day. That pull, like the market was moving so fast and I was standing still. And if I didn't move fast, I was going to miss it. So one afternoon, I opened Claude Covert, right? I read everything. I did my research, I watched the demos, I looked at the pricing, and I was ready to buy it. Cursor on the button, and then something happened. Not logic, not research, just 3 questions that hit me one after another. And those 3 questions changed everything I thought I knew about AI tools. The first question, where do I even start, right? The second question, what do I actually do with this? The third question, how do I make it worth what I am paying for? And I just sat there, tab open, staring at the screen, and I couldn't answer the single one of them. Not because I was not smart enough, not because I hadn't done my research, but because I didn't have the clarity. And without clarity, access means nothing. I had the tool in front of me. I just didn't know what problem I was going to solve with it. And here is what made it worse. I was not just confused. I was scared, right? Scared of 2 things at the same time. First, scared of buying it and wasting money, spending on something that I didn't know how to use it. Second, scared of not buying it, of watching everyone else moving ahead while I stood there still, being the person who didn't get on the wave in time, right? And those 2 fears were pulling me in opposite direction at the same time. And that is the most paralyzing place a founder can be. So I closed the tab, I didn't buy it, and I sat there with that feeling for a few days, right? And what I realized was that my problem had nothing to do with the Claude Covert or any other tool. The problem was I didn't know what my business actually needed. I didn't have a clear picture of where the gaps were. So I was trying to fix something without knowing what was broken. And that's like going to a pharmacy and buying every medicine on the shelf, hoping one of them will fix something. You haven't diagnosed yet, that doesn't work ever. And here is what I started noticing after that moment. Everyone was talking about the tools, right? Claude, GPT, OpenAI, Gemini, Codex, right? But nobody was asking the most important question. What does my business actually need right now? Not what tool is trending, not what everyone else is buying, but what specific problem in my specific business needed solving, right? And without that question, every tool purchase is just a guess, an expensive guess. And I was about to make that same guess because fear of being left behind felt louder than the clarity I didn't have. That's the trap. And almost every founder I speak to is sitting inside it. So here is what I want you to understand. It was never about the tool, right? Claude, GPT, Gemini. It doesn't matter which one you actually pick, right? You can have every AI agent on the market, every tool, every subscription, every model, and still not know where to point them, because the bottleneck was never the access. Everyone has access now. The bottleneck is clarity. Knowing exactly what in your business needs AI and what doesn't. That's the question nobody is asking. And it's the only question that actually matters. So what does clarity actually look like, right? It's not which tool should I buy. It's not what everyone else is buying. It's 3 specific things. Number 1, where are the gaps right now in your business? Number 2, which of these gaps does AI actually solve? Number 3, what does success looks like after you have solved that problem? When you have those 3 answers, you are not guessing anymore. The tool choice becomes the easiest part because you are just not guessing anything. You know exactly what you need and exactly what you don't. That's the clarity, and clarity is worth more than any other tool in the market. So after that experience, I built something, right? Not a tool, not an AI agent, but a process, an AI audit that I walk businesses through before they touch a single tool, before they buy anything, before they buy any subscription. And every question is designed to do one thing: give them clarity on where their business is actually leaking, on where AI would actually help, on where it wouldn't, because the goal is not to use more AI. The goal is to use right AI in the right place for the right reason. That's what an audit does. And here is why this matters, right? The audit is not about AI. The audit is about business. It's about understanding where the real gaps are. Response time, follow-up process, lead qualification, manual tasks, eating hours. And only then, once we know exactly where the gaps are, what's broken, then we talk about which tool fixes it, not before it. Because buying tools before having clarity is the most expensive mistake a founder can do. I know because I almost did it. 3 questions I couldn't answer, and that moment is the reason the audit exists. So here is the take nobody wants to say out loud. Most founders don't have an AI problem, they have a clarity problem, right? The question is not which model is better, Claude, GPT, Gemini, it doesn't matter. That conversation is the wrong conversation because it assumes you already know what you are solving for. Most founders don't, and until you do, every tool you buy is just a noise. Trust step as your progress. More subscriptions, more logins, more models, more tabs open on your screen, and the same problem is still sitting there waiting. That is not a tool's problem, that is a clarity problem. And nobody sells clarity. I do. And look, I know this feeling is real because I felt it, right? Sitting there, tabs open, everyone else is moving, and me frozen. Not because I was lazy, not because I didn't care, but because I cared too much about not making the wrong move. And that's the thing about AI Wave right now. It's moving fast. And when things move fast, the fear of being left behind gets louder than the voice asking, wait, do I actually need this or not? And when that fear gets louder, you stop thinking and you start buying. And that is exactly when the wrong decision gets made. So here is what I want you to take from this video. Access is not the bottleneck. Clarity is, right? Everyone has access to the same tools. Claude, GPT, Gemini, everyone has access, right? But clarity, knowing exactly what your business needs, knowing exactly what problem AI can actually solve for you, that's rare. And the founders who figure that out earlier are not the ones with more tools. They are the ones who ask the right question before they bought anything. That's the game, and that's what most people are playing it wrong.